Just to say, guys, I've literally just walked up the stairs and had to shoot someone. But Happy New Year to you all. I've absolutely forgot to say it in the video that I recorded. But hope you guys had a good time, whether or not you went to a party or did whatever you do for New Year. If you celebrate it, I mean, I know a lot of people do. But yeah, hope you guys had a nice day and, you know, stuff like that, and, you know, and Happy New Year. I'll put this at the start of my video, and then I'll do the actual like normal introduction as I do, just because I forgot to do it. I don't know what reminded me to say it. I was just about to film the next part of this. This is the, if you think of this scene here is at the end of the this video, so yeah. But there's no spoilers, you just saw 5 people and I've got a shotgun now, so yeah. Yeah, but hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah. What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new video. This will be part 4, I think, part 4 of the Tomb Raider series that I've been doing. So last time I literally just zip-lined, I'll just show you quickly. I zip-lined all the way down there and it snapped, and then now I've got to make my way through here. There's a little valve over here, so I'll just turn this. But yeah, thank you guys for the subscribers recently. I've seen that it's growing up and stuff, and it means a lot. You know, it means a hell of a lot to me. I'm gonna do continue with these videos and then find something interesting. Oh nice, I can light stuff up everywhere now. Fire striker, oh, that's good.
This should do the trick.
How do I do it then? Oh, hold square. Oh, that's cool. I did think that was an ability. But yeah, I'm gonna continue with what I've been doing recently, and then I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do afterwards, but I'll figure it out as I'm going. Oh no way! Oh, it's gonna crash, isn't it? Oh no! Got shot down. Is that lightning? What? Just got to run. Do I have to run, or is it going to be a cutscene? Oh, please say. Oh no, it looks like I'm playing. Oh. Very, very dramatic. Oh my god. Run out the way. I died. Oh no. Oh, brilliant. I'll go right down here. Oh, why do these games do this? Am I dead? No. Oh, for fuck's sake. Jump. Oh dear. Wow. Well, that was a good start to the video, bloody. A plane came crashing down. To be fair, the story would have been very short if the plane didn't crash. Oh, is he gonna die?
I have to get to him.
Do we have to? Oh, why has it done that? I didn't even press it. Why did I move back? I moved back. I'm not doing voice thingy. Do I have to shoot it? Maybe it's just... Yeah. Never mind. Oh, this is a bit like Uncharted. Come on. Oh dear. It's got legs like steel. Oh. quickly. Smash. Right, where to now? Over here. And a barrel roll. There we go. All the floors look the same. They've got like this red and white texture. Well, I mean they look a little bit different either side,
Go
but...
away! Get off of me!
Oh, brilliant. Oh, we're gonna have to fight this kid.
You there?
Yeah, that was easier than I thought. Where else can I go? I can go up here. I think. Yeah. Oh, blimey. Everything's so broken. Ooh. I wasn't actually supposed to go this way, but something useful here anyway. Always helpful. There's nothing else there. I wonder what that guy's got on him. Nothing. I still don't know if that rope arrow yet. I don't know when that will be available to use, but... No. Oh, campfire. I haven't leveled up yet. I wonder if I can
A storm that came
level
out of
anything up.
nowhere, out of a clear sky, and brought down a plane. It's not rational. You know it's not rational, Lara. There must be some explanation. I just don't know what it is yet.
Can't level up anything. I'll keep this outfit on, it's quite cool.
Lara! What the hell happened?
This storm, it came out of nowhere. These clouds, they just surrounded the plane.
Lara, listen. I saw the crash from here, so you must be close to my position. Just get back here safe.
All right,
It's a bit shaky.
on my way.
Do I need to reload anything? No. Oh, brilliant.
Over here! I got her in my sights!
Oh, the rope arrows. Nice. What's she gonna do? What's it gonna look like? That fall on there? So just the support. Come on, get out. Wait, close there. How many arrows have I got left? One. Yeah, get out of here. Silly boy. Right, why am I still crouching? Ooh, what's over here? That's nice. Right. Do I have to fill it across? I didn't know whether or not I could climb up these. Right. Let's loot these bodies. 1, 2, 3. Oh, now I can level something up. Right. Well, that's useful. I mean, after I've just fought, yeah. Right, let's go. 2 now. Seems a bit fishy.
That looks like a good spot to look into.
Wait, which one? Oh. I reckon going up top would be better. Because you could choose there, both bottom or top, I reckon. But top looks a bit more secure. You know, height advantage. But you won't be able to go back that way. Oh, there's something in there. What's that rope on the door? Oh my god, how strong is she? It's mad. I know it's a wooden door, but still. Well, okay. Thanks. Blimey. Didn't even say it. Oh, I thought that was an enemy.
really
I was
glad
about
you
to aim
moved.
at him. Oh,
Me both, girl.
he looks a bit like
One moment they were fine, the next.
Jim
there was
Gordon
this
from
storm.
the
It came out of
first
nowhere.
Batman game,
Fault, Lara.
I called them here, Ross.
Arkham Asylum.
We'll find
I mean,
another way.
not
Mayday,
actually.
mayday.
It's just
Co-pilot Jessica Beer,
Another pilot.
177A.
Hello?
a bit
Hello?
more
Can you hear
textured
me?
though in there.
Got badly hurt when I landed and need urgent aid. Is anyone there?
Captain Jessup, do you read?
I've deployed a smoke signal. Please
Damn it, he can't hear me. I have to get to
Shout
him.
louder.
His signal's just over there.
We've got our own people to worry about. We'll need to regroup as soon as they find Sam.
I can't just leave him out there alone. I need to get to him.
Oh,
Sometimes you've got to make sacrifices, Lara. You can't
No.
save everyone.
I know about sacrifices.
No. You know about loss. Sacrifice is a choice you make. Loss is a choice made for you.
this is
I
my
can't
point,
choose to
right?
let him die.
If
Ross.
this game is based like after the rise of the Tomb Raider, she lost people, like she sacrificed people in that game, surely. From my memory, I feel like she did. Oh. God, I don't want to walk up. Like, I'm gonna have to search it up. I'm gonna be like wrong like all the time saying
We ain't gonna find anyone up here. You're probably right, but we got orders. I'm gonna head down and join the others on the plane. You keep checking these ruins.
Oh, for God's sake, stand. Oh. Oh my Christ. That was easy. They didn't even shoot a shot as well, so if there was more enemies around here, they'd have been clueless. Nice little rabbit.
I'm here, Reyes.
Oh, I found
What's your
it.
situation?
We followed a group of men to some kind of city. This place is insane, Ross. What the hell are they doing
What's
here?
this?
I don't know. And I don't
Oh,
think
yeah,
I
I can
want
do
to
that.
know. Any sign
Oh,
of Sam or women?
Let's go.
Nothing yet. Are you with Lara?
Yes. We'll be heading
Oh my
down
God,
the
there's loads
mountain
of stuff
soon
there.
to meet up.
Oh, you can...
Okay. We'll try to get in a bit closer. Keep
Yeah, I'm
this
guessing
channel
there's going to be a
open.
fight up there. Oh, I need survival instincts, but... Oh, there's stuff up there. I don't think I'll be able to jump that. Well, to be honest, she's been jumping really far jumps all game. Yeah, I like this thing. Whatever that does. What's that going to help me do? Is it this way? That's the plane. No, we'll go this way.
There's the signal.
God. She must be really strong. But, wow. Pulling yourself up a rope like that across like a cavern, and it's at that angle. It's mad. I'm not saying she can't be strong, I'm just saying like it's mental.
Come on, we gotta get back. Shut up and let me finish.
Spam square again.
What? Help me out here!
No, you don't even need to pull the bow back, like the arrow back that far. The headshots. No wonder why I've been missing. It just takes so long. Right, it's over here. guessing there's like a tomb over there. I'm just gonna stick to the main story. I can make myself but I can do videos afterwards about the extra stuff in the game. I mean, I think we'll be able to do that. Done it before with game, well, not videos, but played it. I could do this tomb. You know what? I'll do this tomb because I keep saying about I'll do it in separate videos, and I might not. It depends. If people want that, then I'll do it. But yeah, I mean, I'd like to see what they are, so I'll do this one and see what all the hype around being a Tomb Raider is. Oh, okay. I remember the tombs in the other games that I've actually played are quite cool. There's one on a pirate ship I think I said about before, and that one was really cool. I liked that. I think that was Rise of the Tomb Raider. Hall of Ascension. That's up, isn't it? Ascension. So I'm guessing I've got to go up somewhere. It's gonna break. Wow, really strong.
This is part of Yamatai.
So somehow I've got to get over there. Right, I've got to get there quickly, yeah. I'm a donut. Quickly, Lara. Oh, it doesn't shoot me. I thought it would shoot me really far. I think I'm missing something. Oh. Is that closing it or open? Oh, it's closing it. Why doesn't... Okay. That makes more sense. Oh. Right, I've got to be quick here. No, it's too late.
It's just right.
Oh, this is so... Right. Do this. Take a little small walk over here. And then...
We need to time this just right.
Yeah, that should be okay. Oh, you're just there. You're just there. Okay, that's cool. So I'll take a little bit of a stronger walk. I'll do it when that first flap opens. Yeah. Lara, should be perfect. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on! Yes! Yes, let's go. Oh, how exciting. No. Can you jump? Jump again. Alright, see what tomb.
Was this part of a larger complex of ruins?
Probably. Probably was, Lara. Let's have a little look. Oh. Wow. What ability can we get? What do we get? Oh. Got skill points. Hand gun part. Wait. do the main mission. It's a nice little side track. Doesn't take that long. Oh, I can level up my skills as well. Oh. I'll do that afterwards. Oh. What's this? Ruler upgrade. Oh. Pain tolerance, yes. Got, like, more health. It's a weird way of putting it, though. Cleverly used dirt. That sounds a bit... Nah. I have 2 more skills to unlock too. Oh, just any skills. Just get any old skill, really. Cool. And then gear. Go to bow. Right, where's this? Oh, I've done that. I didn't pay for that. Wrap string, right. Oh, cool. How many? Oh, can't level anything else up there. But my bow is maxed out. Oh, yeah, I think that's a lot faster. I mean, I don't really like using the bow. I feel like the pistol is the best thing I've got. How fast it shoots anyway. And I've only leveled it up like twice. It's pretty mad.
I can't do that now.
I can't put the torch down. It's not even that dark. Right. Make our way back. I don't remember doing... I'll see reward. Oh wow. Map's huge. Get to see the whole thing. Wow. I don't think I've actually used the map yet because I turned off the voice recognition and then it didn't ever tell me how to use the map. I mean, obviously I knew it would be that button, but I didn't think to hold it. I thought, oh, it's only on voice recognition. Actually, could just go up there. How do I cut it? Oh, you can't cut it yet. Oh no, that's the wrong way to go anyway. What am I doing? I could just make that. Yeah. I found another rifle part. Okay. Oh, another one of them things done. Wait. Yeah. Is this the right way? Yeah. That's good. Oh, there's a nest there as well. What's the nest for? I've forgotten. Where's the nest? Provided. Okay. I'll just check up here quickly while I'm here. Because I don't really want to be tracing back every, you know, after everything's done. Oh dear, don't do that. That's just ammo. And then I can just do a... I won't be able to do that. I could do it over there. That's helpful for later. Oh, and that's helpful now as well. Egg poacher, wait. I got the egg. Or the eggs. Why are we stealing eggs for? Doesn't seem like something Lara Croft would do.
I have to get over
Oh, we're
there.
gonna fall off here. It's too windy a bit. God, that's such a break. Yeah. What did I say? Move, Lara, move, move. I wonder if you take too long, you'll fall. Oh no, looks like you'll fall anyway. That's square? Yeah. Oh, fine. She screamed for no reason. She's perfectly fine. Oi! Let's go.
Captain Jessup! Where did he go?
Like this as well. Don't know why. It's there to be. Oh, there's another one. Oh. It doesn't give me anything, so I don't know why I'm lighting them. Oh, I can like do something with that, I swear.
Hey, Lara. Russ told us about the plane. Don't worry, there's got to be another way off this rock, right?
I hope so. Any sign of Sam?
Yeah, we tracked her to some old Japanese palace.
I don't like the sound of that.
Hey, don't worry, she's probably just sightseeing.
You're a terrible liar, Alex. You have to be careful in there. Good luck.
Ooh, this looks dangerous. Right. Get the pistol at hand. This looks pretty dangerous. So, let's go round to where I was, yeah. Oh dear. No, I didn't do that either, so that's quite useful. Oh, this is new. I feel like there'll be like walls or something around it.
Period.
Oh, sorry guys, I've still got a bit of a cough. It's really aggravating. It's just that time of year, really. Yeah, the delights of
The Queen.
Yeah.
Himiko?
Christmas time. Oh, wow. That's cool.
Incredible. Captain Jessup?
What am I aiming at?
Oh my god!
There's wolves here. Oh no, they're enemies. Oh, and I'm somehow not dead.
For a child, you've caused me a great deal of trouble.
Ooh.
But you're just as naive and predictable.
Oh my god! I know who that is! That's Brock's voice actor. That's Brock from God of War, the 2018 one. And obviously Ragnarok as well. That's mad! He sounds... I'm gonna have to search it up. I might be gonna police people. Somebody might not be happy with me saying that. But I feel like that is... It sounds exactly the same. Oh my fucking god. What the hell? How long have these bodies been here? I'm guessing we're tied up again. Oh, we're not upside down, but... There's something to hit, really. Oh, that's what she's doing. Oh, there's going to be something falling again. Oh no, just the floor. At least I'm not impaled again. Ouch. How come they kept the guns on us?
What's
oh no.
happening here?
Broke the radio. There's a monster in there. Oh no, I still have my weapons. Why hold my stomach again? I mean, I know I probably would have been bloody hurt from that, but like, is somebody gonna eat us? No, they're cannibals. The fuck is that? Don't touch it first. He's lucky. Should go and fight him. I wonder if you... Oh, I don't know. I wonder... Oh. No, oh. This is grim. Oh god, I thought there was an enemy there. Oh, there's so many bones. shotgun ammo. Oh, we get a shotgun. Let's go. Where are we getting it from? I need it now. We're going to be fighting them stone things. Oh, we're going to get it soon because we won't be able to. Yeah. A shotgun. Does she know?
I hope this thing still works.
Trench shotgun. Oh. Wow. Reload it. Oh, that's going to be a mate. Oh no. Never mind. Oh. Oh, we're going to have to fight that guy. Watch.
I hate tombs.
Why does she hate tombs and calls herself... Well, I mean, she doesn't
Sun
call
Queen
herself
and her
doesn't
storm
but,
guard.
yeah.
Himiko, the first Sun Queen. This is Yamatai.
This is amazing, man.
And you're really here.
Oh my god. It smells horrible.
And really, really dead.
What did she bloody expect? Him to say, hello, Lara.
This is
I'm
incredible.
here all along. Wow. No, this game's cool. I don't care.
This looks like
It might
some
be a
kind
bit
of
cheesy.
fire ritual. A
and
sacrificial ritual.
certain bits are a bit
Horrible. But why
silly,
were the women
but
burnt like that?
I like it.
A journey, a pilgrimage to... Is that this monastery?
She looks
Pouring
familiar.
water. But why?
That like headpiece and the outfit and the face looks familiar. I don't know whether or not that's something.
And there you are.
Yeah,
Queen.
she's something.
Wait.
I'm not a historian.
It's
I
not
don't know
pouring
much
water,
about
it's
certain things,
transferring
but
power.
that looks familiar.
This
I
is an
don't know.
ascension ritual.
Another
It's how you
ascension
chose your
ritual.
successor.
Brilliant.
Oh no.
Don't destroy it too. Get the ammo. Get a stone, break his face. Let's use the pistol. Yeah, pistol's OP. I shot him in the bloody face! Well, that was a lot easier than they probably thought it would be. Can I loot the tomb? Or is there not? Loot the tomb. I'm guessing there's...
Hey, what the hell's going on down there?
What the hell is that thing?
I don't know this bloody thing. Oh, the man just did it. There's a rope up there. Yeah, reload my pistol. Please say you can get dual pistols in this game. I think you could in... Can I level up anything? Bloody hell. Oh my god. Oh, everything needs so much. Okay, the bow's fully done, so shouldn't really moan. Why do I not need to reload it? That's fantastic timing. Really, really fantastic. Right. I'll get off this one quickly. Come on, Lara, move. Oh wow, it's really far. I thought it would just be like round the corner. This is really good. Move. Come on. Where's all this wind coming from? Doesn't really make any sense. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. How is that wooden plank holding up? Oh, yeah. Square. Lovely, lovely. Alright, make our way around here. Get inside. This is going to be a big fight now.
She's here! Hey, woman, don't shoot. Let's be friends. The Guardians will kill us all for trespassing.
Who are these Guardians? What do they want?
She's shooting at us! Damn you! Weapons are you?
Why did it come up with that bloody symbol? Oh, bloody thing. Oh, the bloody symbol to hit him and then the bloody shot. Oh, right. Well, that'll be the end of the video. Oh, I'm guessing we've got to break that somehow. But I will do that in the next video because it just saved. But thank you guys for watching. If you've made it this far, you know, it means a lot. Subscribe if you want to see more. Turn the you know, everything that every other YouTuber has said a million times. I don't want to repeat what everyone says because it sort of gives us a bad name kind of thing. But yeah, have a good rest of your day or start to your day or whenever. It's like the start to the day where I am when recording this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.